Turmeric, a golden yellow spice commonly used in cooking, has been valued for its medicinal properties for centuries, particularly in traditional Indian and Chinese medicine. The active compound in turmeric, responsible for many of its health benefits, is called curcumin. Here are some of the potential health benefits associated with turmeric. Number 1. Reduce depression. Turmeric contains several compounds that may offer health benefits, with curcumin being the most prominent among them. Scientists are intrigued by the potential of curcumin in alleviating depression and enhancing the effectiveness of antidepressants. Number 2. Type 2 diabetes. Given its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to regulate blood sugar levels, curcumin could serve as a valuable asset in preventing or managing type 2 diabetes. A study involving 240 adults with prediabetes revealed that those who were supplemented with curcumin over a period of 9 months experienced a reduced risk of developing diabetes. Number 3. Acne solution. You might have heard that using a turmeric mask or including turmeric in your diet can be a game changer in battling those pesky pimples. It's believed that turmeric's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities could work wonders. However, it's essential to note that there isn't solid scientific evidence supporting this claim. Number 4. Combating viral infections. Studies suggest that curcumin, a compound found in turmeric, may aid in the fight against various viruses, such as herpes and influenza. It's worth noting that much of this research has been conducted in controlled laboratory settings rather than on human subjects. Additionally, turmeric contains only a small percentage of curcumin, approximately 3%, and the body's absorption of curcumin is limited. Therefore, while enjoying the occasional cup of turmeric tea may offer some benefits, it's not a panacea for viral infections. Number 5. Alleviating premenstrual syndrome. Recent research spanning 3 consecutive menstrual cycles indicates that supplementation with curcumin can alleviate symptoms of PMS in women. Moreover, studies conducted on muscle tissue from guinea pigs and rats suggest that turmeric may also provide relief from menstrual cramps. Number 6. Control high cholesterol. Some studies have suggested that turmeric may play a role in reducing LDL cholesterol levels, offering hope for those looking to safeguard their cardiovascular health. However, the scientific consensus remains elusive, as other research indicates that turmeric's impact on cholesterol may be negligible. Number 7. Heart health. Despite the conflicting findings, scientists are undeterred in their exploration of turmeric's potential in heart disease prevention. A small-scale study has hinted at the spice's ability to mitigate the risk of heart attacks in individuals who have undergone bypass surgery, sparking further interest in its cardioprotective properties. Number 8. Keep you young. Imagine a supplement that not only fights diseases like heart, cancer, and Alzheimer's but also helps you stay youthful longer. That's where curcumin comes in. Curcumin, found in turmeric, might just be the secret to delaying aging and keeping chronic diseases at bay. Researchers believe its power lies in its ability to combat oxidation and inflammation, 2 factors closely linked to aging. Number 9. Alzheimer's disease. In the realm of neurodegenerative diseases, particularly Alzheimer's disease, turmeric has garnered attention for its purported anti-inflammatory properties. Alzheimer's is characterized by chronic inflammation in the brain, and turmeric's natural anti-inflammatory effects have led some to speculate about its potential to mitigate the progression of the disease. However, despite these theoretical associations, robust scientific evidence supporting turmeric's efficacy in preventing or treating Alzheimer's remains elusive. Number 10. Cancer prevention. Exciting findings from lab and animal studies suggest that turmeric might hold promise in halting the growth of tumor cells. It's also been shown to enhance the function of detoxifying enzymes, which could potentially benefit cancer prevention. But before you start adding turmeric to your daily routine, it's important to tread carefully. While these preliminary studies are encouraging, they don't paint the full picture. We still need more research to understand how turmeric interacts with cancer in the human body. Number 11. Irritable bowel syndrome. A pilot study involving 207 adults, along with research conducted on rats, suggests that turmeric might help alleviate IBS symptoms, such as abdominal pain. While these findings are promising, it's important to note that further research is needed to fully understand turmeric's impact on IBS. Moreover, turmeric is currently under investigation as a potential treatment for other gastrointestinal diseases, including Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. These ongoing studies aim to explore the effectiveness of turmeric in managing symptoms and improving the quality of life for individuals with these conditions. Number 12. Reduce headaches. When it comes to headaches, turmeric has drawn interest due to its botanical relative, ginger, which is known for its natural headache-relieving properties. While anecdotal evidence and online testimonials often tout turmeric as a headache remedy, scientific research on its efficacy is limited. While there is little scientific evidence supporting turmeric as a treatment or preventative measure for headaches, one study suggests that it could be a part of a new approach to headache management. Number 13. Natural aid for arthritis. Do you suffer from arthritis? Turmeric might offer some relief. This golden spice has shown promise in easing joint pain, stiffness, and inflammation. However, while it's tempting to consider turmeric as a go-to treatment, experts advise caution. More research is needed to fully understand its benefits for arthritis. If you're keen to give turmeric a try for your joint pain, here's a tip. Pair it with black pepper. This combo can help your body absorb natural curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. So, sprinkle some turmeric on your dishes and enjoy its potential benefits with a dash of pepper. Number 14. Anti-inflammatory compound. Curcumin, found in turmeric, is a powerful compound, known for its ability to combat inflammation. While it typically takes high doses to see medicinal effects, its potential to fight inflammation is significant. Inflammation is a key player in numerous health issues and diseases. Anything that can help to manage chronic inflammation is valuable for both prevention and treatment of these conditions. Curcumin offers a natural solution in this fight against inflammation. Number 15. Boosts antioxidant power. Our bodies naturally produce molecules called free radicals, which are like little troublemakers, causing oxidative damage. This damage can lead to aging and various diseases. Think of free radicals as tiny, highly reactive molecules with an unpaired electron, making them unstable and eager to react with other important stuff in our bodies like fatty acids, proteins, and even our DNA. Here's where turmeric steps in. Curcumin, the main ingredient in turmeric, has a unique chemical structure that allows it to neutralize these troublemaking free radicals. Not only that, but studies on animals and cells suggest that curcumin might also help to boost the activity of other antioxidants, making it a double threat against oxidative damage. Well, that is all about the health benefits of turmeric. However, here are some frequently asked questions about the benefits of turmeric. Let's check it out. Question 1. Is turmeric safe for daily use? Firstly, taking high doses of turmeric or curcumin on a long-term basis may not be advisable. Research on their long-term safety is still limited. According to the World Health Organization, a daily intake of 1.4 milligrams per pound of body weight is considered acceptable. Question 2. Who should avoid turmeric? Certain individuals should be cautious or avoid turmeric altogether. This includes pregnant or nursing women, individuals with gallbladder or kidney issues, people with bleeding disorders, or iron deficiency. Additionally, if you're taking any medications, it's essential to discuss turmeric consumption with your doctor. Turmeric might interact with certain medications, impacting their effectiveness or causing adverse effects. Question 3. Can turmeric help you lose belly fat? Studies suggest that curcumin can help combat inflammation and regulate metabolism, both of which are important factors in weight loss. Additionally, curcumin may have a positive impact on insulin sensitivity, potentially reducing the accumulation of fat around the abdomen. However, it's essential to keep in mind that, while turmeric may offer some benefits for weight loss, it's not a magic solution. A healthy diet and regular exercise are still key components of any successful weight loss journey. Question 4. Are there any side effects of turmeric? While turmeric is generally safe, but taking large doses of turmeric supplements may pose some risks including diarrhea, dizziness, headaches, upset stomach, and acid reflux. Question 5. Are turmeric supplements worth considering? Adding turmeric supplements on daily life could be very beneficial. These supplements often come with added ingredients, like black pepper or fenugreek, to improve absorption. Some may even contain ginger, which shares similar anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. For your better help, I will add some amazing turmeric supplements in the video description and product sections. Question 6. Is it safe to take turmeric pills every day? Turmeric is generally considered safe for short-term use. Studies suggest that turmeric products containing up to 8 grams of curcumin daily are safe when used for up to 2 months. Similarly, taking up to 3 grams of turmeric per day appears safe for up to 3 months. However, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure it's suitable for you. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.